un splash, j'ai sur mon lit à bouffer sa langue en buvant trop mon whisky. Quant à moi, peu dormi, vie débris, mais j'ai dû dormir dans la gouttière où j'ai eu un flash. En 4 couleurs. Allez hop, un matin, une louloute est venue chez moi, poupée de cellophane, cheveux chinois, un sparadrap, une gueule de bois, a bu ma bière dans un grand verre en caoutchouc.
Elizabeth's here.
Hey.
I'm here. For about
I got crooked, like, hey.
Doing your vocal fry.
I was doing my vocal fry. Yeah.
Oh, you're so on trend. So we're at in the early hours, Doncaster, for our trip to Salou, to Reus, Cap Salou. The last time we'll be going out to Doncaster because they're closing it down supposedly. Not coming, so I'm hoping that there'll be a last minute save because
It's a good airport.
It's a damn good airport, especially for us in our region. But we'll fingers crossed somebody saves it because we put a lot of money into it. Just close it down would be terrible. However, we're looking forward to our holiday and we'll film along the way. With 8 minutes to go, the winners of first in the queue are Mr. Yellow Jacket. You know, it doesn't open for until past, and it's Doncaster, so we've all got a seat. So it's not as if we're in a rush, but hey, you know, we love a good queue in Britain, so we're going to make sure we're first in it.
A few moments later.
The hair is on the move. Last time we left you, Yellow Jacket had won. However, closely followed by a lot of other people. But it's still
not checking inside.
No, I mean he says it opens at 3:30, but I don't think they grasp the concept that when there's nobody sat at the desk, you can't check in. So
we've all got seats on the flights, haven't we?
Yeah, exactly. So,
but you know.
Yeah, well, it's quite funny that people have got. Yeah, I suppose fill the time up with queuing.
You got to walk all that way around.
Yeah, well, nobody's actually grasped that they could have walked to the front, just undone a cord, and tucked in behind the next person. But they're all just doing the loop. It's like it's a this thing's he's doing limbo. Yeah, it's great. This is entertainment. Yeah, this is for free as well. Yeah. Okay, we're through checking, and you see Robin Hood, because Robin Hood's from Sheffield. It was the Sheriff of Nottingham. Oh, Elizabeth's there giving me a wave. It says 2 minutes to get through security. That's good. Off we go. Through security.
Through security.
Through check of boarding cards. Yep. So it's now coffee time, and nothing says holiday like coffee and a surprise cat. Ooh. Ooh. Here in departures, and just
spaces on bananas.
We're actually on the bananas, and just while we look round, we just said earlier on about Mr. Yellow Jacket being first to get checked in. He's now getting late in there, being first to be on the plane. Yes, he is first. Yes. Right, get on the plane. So there you can see the seat back. This is actually a 7378 B-Max, or the Max series, and as you can see looking over there, it's absolutely spotless.
Just to fly to Reus, so that we can get moving as soon as possible. Please place all hand luggage under the
seat. And there's decent amount of leg room through my big frame, so it's good.
Smoking is not allowed, and that does include the use of electronic cigarettes. For your safety, there are smoke detectors fitted in the toilets.
On the flight, ready to take off, and there are a lot of spare seats, which is good. It's a row each today. And we're here in Tarragona, which is the old Roman capital of the area and famous for these Castells that you might have seen in our previous vlog over in this area. This is what we call the Rambler. Beautiful place. Yeah. Absolutely beautiful fountains appear with the different animals. We're going to walk up and see some of the historic bits, aren't we?
Yeah. And have something to eat and drink.
Oh yeah, something to eat and drink.
We got to 12 o'clock last night, or this morning, whichever road it is, 12 AM. Flown, landed, and we can't get to a hotel room yet, so it's like, go out for a bit.
Yeah.
So, what better way to wait for a hotel room?
Yeah,
That's what on Tarragona.
absolutely, best way.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful. All different animals around the outside. We've got polar bear, elephant, crocodile. I can't see what the other one is. Like that. Whoa. Yeah, elephant. And yeah, pigeon. Oh, hippopotamus. Hippopotamus.
Oh,
Here we are. Fountain behind us. Yeah. Beautiful day.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah,
It really is.
beautiful.
Yeah. That was a little picture there. It's so beautiful.
Let's spin it around so you can see. Yeah.
Isn't it?
Gorgeous. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful place.
Does it remind me of Malta?
Yeah, very similar to Valletta, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Wow.
first sight. We'll walk back through the streets of Tarragona. Oh yeah, beautiful. Wow, cheers. Right, look at the little streets down here. Oh. Try to get them all in. Huge beach, isn't it? Yeah.
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 Yeah. Up there, yeah.
Yeah, I am getting wet.
You are?
Yeah, I was getting wet from something above.
I'll do it.
Oh yeah, I've got that. Historical Museum of Tarragona. Beautiful building. Again, really cheap to get in. €3.30 each. Such good value. Beautiful place. I'm not sure. Yeah. Yeah. I'm very hungry. And if it was smell-o-vision, you would all be hungry as well. You don't have the munchies. Yeah, the ballast used to be filming. Look at this, it's a billiard room. Wow. Yeah. Amazing place. So much to see. I mean, this is just... Yeah. Yeah. Wow. You've got Darth Sidious up there. We are in the room 525, And this is our first stay in one of the new refurbished rooms. When we came in May, it was one of the old ones with the orange detailing. This is all pure white, looks very clean. Some new fixtures and fittings, new lamps, new bedding, chair, arty kind of thing on the wall, nice big mirror with me in, but you're not going to see. Usual commode which has been redone, that's new. New shower room, sink, toilet, necessary room as Elizabeth would say. Got a fridge, got a safe which is new, and we've still got the great old view. Just looking out here.